Hi friends, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Excited to share with you guys what are all different perennials loaded in Costco today. So let's get into the video and quickly see what stocks we have today. We have 2 bare root roses, 2 pack, 16.99. That looks amazing. Let's see what are all different rose varieties available with this 2 pack varieties. Elizabeth, Living Easy, Iceberg, Peace, Hybrid Tea Rose, Peace. We see plant profile quickly. It's a full sun, fragrant, zone 4 through 9, and you have showy apricot blooms with moderate fruity fragrance, glossy screen foliage, black spot resistant, excellent for mass planting, and petal count 25 to 30. See what height it grows. Let's see if we can find that. That's interesting. I don't see the plant maturity size. I think those are the varieties we have in Costco at this point. I'll see if any other varieties available from rose. Quickly look into lilac and hydrangea bare root shrubs. It's 2 pack again, 16.99. That was lilac's flowering shrub, 2 feet sensation. Looks amazing. That's 2 March. Look, gorgeous blooms. Yeah, skyfall, beautiful. Lilacs, beauty of Moscow. Wow, look at this. Foxy flamingo. Wow, look at this. Beautiful hydrangea. Double down hydrangea. Purple lavender color mix. Looks gorgeous. Plant profile for 2 months. So it's full sun, late spring bloom time, and gardening zone 3 to 7, and it see the maturity size, 8 to 12 feet height and 8 to 10 feet width. Beautiful. And let's look at the double down profile quickly. Look at how gorgeous if you plant them as a, on the pathway. It's a part sun, summer to fall it blooms, and zone 6 through 9, and it grows to 3 to 4 feet tall and 3 to 4 feet width. Beautiful reblooming macrophylla hydrangea. Alright, and then there is another section where we have some more plants. Let's see. We have 10-inch hydrangea for 21.99, and we have a lot of beautiful colors. Look at this. So good to see them in March. Planter that you can keep it ready, that you can keep it in your balcony, porch, and beautiful pansies. I think maybe $19.99.